Okay, good afternoon, friends. I am telling about some fundamentals of DC circuits. Let us start with DC circuits. First topic is fundamental concept of DC circuit. Our first point is some fundamental quantity of DC circuit. Now you can see voltage, current, resistance, power, energy. This is our first topic. Second topic is Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's law. Kirchhoff has two laws. First law is called KCL and second one is KVL. And third part is resistance is connected in series and parallel. Now let us start with first voltage. What is voltage? Voltage means what? Voltage is equal to electrical potential energy per unit charge. That means V is equal to W. Okay, V is equal to W by Q. Potential energy, it is called W. Unit charge, it is for Q. W is measured in joules and Q measured in coulomb. Therefore the unit is volt. Now we similar for mechanical, like mechanical potential energy, zero potential can be chosen at any point. એટલે કે આપણે રેફરન્સ તરીકે 0 પોઈન્ટને આપણે રેફરન્સ તરીકે 0 પોઈન્ટ લઈએ છીએ. એવી રીતના વોલ્ટેજ ક્વોન્ટિટી એવી છે કે જે વોલ્ટેજ ક્વોન્ટિટી તરીકે કામ નહીં, પણ વોલ્ટેજના ડિફરન્સ એ બહુ વધારે મીનફુલ થાય છે. ધ ડિફરન્સ ઇન વોલ્ટેજ ઇઝ ક્વોન્ટિટી વિચ ફિઝિકલી મીનફુલ. કે જ્યારે કે પોઈન્ટ એ થી પોઈન્ટ બી તરફ વર્ક એટલે સમ પાર્ટિકલ ઓફ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ઓર ચાર્જ મૂવ ફ્રોમ એ ટુ બી, then those work per charge, it is from A to B, it is called voltage. Now electrical potential energy, potential per unit charge, it is same as a electrical voltage. Now second quantity is current. Basically we are mouthly say current, shock लाग्यो, current लाग्यो, बराबर. तो what is current? तो electric current is a flow of electric charge. Electric charge એટલે કે એક જ there are 2 points, both points voltage difference. So electron moves from one side to another and conductor, some material are passed through the conduct electron and some material do not pass the charge. So there are 3 types: conductor, semiconductor, and insulator. Insulator are not pass the charge. Insulator not pass the charge, but conductor are pass the charge through very simply. Now electric charge is often carried moving electron in a wire. It can be carried in ions, electrolyte, એટલે કે જેમાંથી પ્રસાર થાય, ઇલેક્ટ્રિક એટલે કે વિદ્યુત જેમાંથી પસાર થાય, બરાબર, આપણે એને ઇલેક્ટ્રોલાઇટ કહીએ. જે દ્રાવણ આપણે કહીએ, દ્રાવણને ઇલેક્ટ્રોલાઇટ. there are mainly 3 or 4: solid, liquid, gas, and another state बराबर. now we are nowadays plasma is the ions and electrons body, it is called plasma. Now SI unit of electric current is ampere. Charge, current which is flow in electric charge through a surface at the rate of coulomb per second. Therefore equation is I is equal to Q by T. Q means quantity, बराबर, okay, quantity coulomb, and T for time, second. Now electric current can be measured for ammeter. Ammeter are always connected in series. Ammeter has offer low resistance. Now conventional current. Now we can confuse. Okay, what is the direction of current? The flow of current in a wire is a flow of negative charge electrons. Means negative terminal to the positive terminal in electrical circuit. But in electrical engineering we always use conventional current, which is the direction of flow of positive charge particles. Finally, for this reason, the direction of conventional current, the flow of direction opposite to the electron flow, means electron flow from negative to positive, and we can carry the current direction of positive to negative terminal. The convention current established because the discovery of electrons. So the direction of positive current is positive to negative for battery terminal. Now third quantity is resistance. Resistance means, what is the meaning of resistance? So resistance just like a friction in mechanical structure to oppose the flow of current in a conductor. Resistance means the flow of to reduce or to offer some friction to flow of current through the conductor. An inverse quantity of resistance, it is called conductance. Conductor pass the current well. Second, some friction of electrical quantity resistance, SI unit of resistance is ohm, while conductance measured in Siemens, it is symbol is ohm, symbol omega, and Siemens means S. Now resistance depends on rho L by A. An object uniform cross section has the resistance proportional to its resistivity. Now what is resistivity? Resistivity is the depends on type of material. Which material is used for conductor, like copper, aluminum. Secondly, length, with how many long they are, and inversely proportional to the cross section area. Suppose we 2 times increase the area, the resistance offer the 4 times less. लेकिन जो एरिया डबल કરવામાં આવે તો આપણો રેઝિસ્ટન્સ 4 ગણો ઘટી જાય છે. Now similarly example કે resistance are on road, resistance just like a speed breaker, you understand. And superconductors, all material shows some resistance, but superconductor has no resistance. Resistance is 0. Now rho is the resistivity of material. just like copper, aluminium. L फिर length of conductor. A area of conductor in meter square. Now which factor affecting the resistance? Resistance affect the length of conductor. If we increase the length of conductor, resistance will increase. If we increase the cross sectional area of conductor, the resistance is decreased, because resistance depends on inversely cross sectional area of conductor. Type of material, which material used, copper, aluminium, and temperature. Temperature is the basically room temperature. All the conductor, semiconductor are not working for same temperature. Nowadays, by invention of Ohm, resistance of an object is defined as the ratio of voltage across the current through it, while the conductance is the inverse of resistance. Therefore, R is equal to V by I and G is equal to I by V. V and I directly proportional to each other. Therefore, R and G are constant. Depends on temperature. This proportionality is called Ohm's law. Now we some example of hydraulic analogy. એટલે કે ઘણા બધા માણસો પાણી ભરીને નીચેની ટેન્કમાંથી બરાબર એ ઉપર જાય છે, ઉપરથી એ જ પાણી પાછું નીચે આવે છે. ઇટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ જસ્ટ લાઇક અ બેટરી. આ જ પ્રોસેસ બેટરીની અંદર થાય છે કે બેટરીમાંથી એનર્જી બરાબર કે જે માણસો ઉપર જાય છે, ઉપર ઠલવે છે, ઉપરથી નીચે કામ કરે છે, અને જે ઉપરની ટેન્ક છે એ જસ્ટ લાઇક અ વર્ક એઝ અ બેટરી. ત્યાંથી એ કામ થાય છે, એટલે કે નીચે પાણી આવે છે, નીચે વર્ક પૂરું થાય છે, ફરીથી એ ઉપર લઈ જવામાં આવે છે. બરાબર, પીપલ એ બેટરીનું કામ કરે છે કે જે નીચેથી ઉપર લઈ જાય છે. એટલે બેટરીની અંદર કેમિકલ પ્રોસેસ થાય છે. બેટરીમાંથી પોઝિટિવ ટર્મિનલમાંથી લેમ્પના ટર્મિનલ સાથે, જે તમે જોઈ શકો છો નીચે, અને લેમ્પ ઓન થાય પછી એ રિટર્ન પાથ તરીકે નેગેટિવમાં આવે. ત્યાં એની એનર્જી પતી ગઈ હોય છે. તો એ એનર્જી પૂરી કોણ કરે છે? પીપલ. બરાબર, અવર એક્ઝામ્પલ. therefore in this circuit use cell or battery. Now some simple DC circuit. Battery, resistance are connected. When the switch supply is on, battery is on, then current pass through the resistance, point C to D. Okay, and equation is V is equal to IR. It is called voltage drop for resistance. Some energy are wasted to pass the electric charge, to pass the electric current. R is the constant, resistance, Ohm's law. Now fourth quantity is power. What is power? Power means rate energy is delivered to the resistor. Means rate energy is dissipated by the resistor. P is equal to V into I is equal to another format I square R, by adding the V is equal to IR. Similarly, I is equal to V by R. The fourth equation is V square by R. Now definition. Electric power like a mechanical power. P is equal to W by T. W is work measured in watts and T for time. Similarly, it is the rate of doing work measured in watts and represented by the letter P. P is equal to W by T. W is equal to watts. Now W, we already studied. W is equal to VQ, Coulomb and electric voltage. I for Q by T, passing through the voltage. Now the equation is P is equal to VQ by T, or P is equal to V into I. Put the value of I is equal to Q by T. Therefore power is equal to work done per unit time. Q is electric charge in coulombs, T is time in seconds, I is electric current, we already studied, in amperes, and V is the electrical potential or voltage in volts supplied by batteries. And now electrical power is equal to work unit. Similarly, SI unit of power watt, joule per second. Second unit is joule per second, because power work done is transferred by electrical energy. So electrical energy as a unit joule, therefore joule per second. Now electrical power is produced. प्रश्न था कि क्या रे प्रोड्यूस केवी रीते थाय. So nowadays electrical power produce electric generators, big many types of generator. Small generator we can use for one fan and one tube in some shops, and big generator. Similarly, electric batteries. In batteries, chemical sources. Battery is a chemical sources. Now electrical power is generally supplied business and homes by electrical power industries, just like Torrent Power, GEB, Welspun Gujarat, many types of Adani Power.